This video walks you through how to view a client's payment history in Clio Manage. If you are already signed in to Clio Manage, begin from the main workspace and look to the left-hand navigation menu. Click Contacts to open the list of people and organizations in your account. This takes you to the area where you can search for and open a specific client record. From there, find a client whose payment history you want to review. You may scroll through the contact list or use the available search tools if needed. The goal here is to locate the correct client before opening the record, since the transaction details are tied to that contact page. Once you have found the client, click the client name. That opens the contact page where you can view information associated with that client. On this page, move to the Transactions section or tab. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on your view, but you are looking for the area that contains the client's financial activity. When the Transactions section is open, locate the list of transactions associated with the client. This list may include more than one type of transaction, so take a moment to confirm you are viewing the entries connected to that contact. If the list includes charges, bills, or other activity in addition to payments, use the available filters to narrow the results to payments. This helps focus the list on the payment records you want to inspect. With the filtered list visible, review the payment entries. Each entry can show details such as the payment date, the amount, the payment source, and the bill associated with that payment. As you move through the list, you can compare entries and identify the specific payment you want to inspect more closely. This is the point where you can confirm whether a payment was received, how much was paid, and which bill it was connected to. If you need more information about one payment, click that payment entry to open its transaction details. The payment detail view provides the additional information attached to that transaction. Review the information shown for that payment, and once you are finished, return to the transaction list so you can continue checking other entries if needed. Thanks for watching. You have now viewed a client's payment history in Clio Manage.